Before starting a new Unity project, you must activate your free personal Unity license. To do this, go to the Preferences icon at the top of Unity Hub. Find the tab that says Licenses. Click Add License. Then click Get a Free Personal License. Click Agree and Get Personal Edition License. And now your personal license should be activated and you should be ready to start a new Unity project.